Hi, I'm Mark Davis. I work for Tag Video Systems here at NAB. Just wanted to talk about a few of the new things that we're showing here at this exciting show. So we have our MCS product that we talked about a little bit last year. It is now fully released with even more new features. So we could do more detailed dashboards and analytics and things like that. We also now support WebRTC upon input and output. So that allows you to actually have video integrated directly into a web page. So with a low latency capabilities within that. So keeping that bandwidth down and being able to deliver that directly to an HTML page. One of the most exciting things that we're showing here is our new content matching technology. And I'll actually back on this. So we've got a couple of different things that we could touch on. Is that source 1 and 2 we have there is just to have two sources that look similar enough that it's hard for the common eye to actually notice that it's different, where we could do fingerprinting upon the movement of that source, that anything downstream with a full broadcast path chain, you could have and build that within your workflows. So it's as simple as building your broadcast path for your different content matching you might be doing. You connect the two compare points within that, and it will then analyze what if that content is the same throughout that content path. Things that you get with that is the latency of the video latency and the audio latency within that, so you can understand things about audio and video sync. But we'll demonstrate here where I'll actually change to a different piece of content on the monitoring point 2. It's going through its analysis, it's making sure to check the video, the motion of the video and the audio, and it will determine after about 5 to 10 seconds of an analysis time that it is not a match, and it will pop up with that saying that it is not match, and it will allow you to identify those types of issues quickly and easily within the workflow. So you got not audio match right there, and you will have that as a good identifier within that. Now, I want to move to another part of our booth in order to show some things with our integration with Sony Nevion and some of our data analytics tools. So now we're here showing a little bit about our Sony Nevion integration, where we are fully integrated into their iPath products, where they can control all of Tag via the API and NMOS control of what's going on the Tag multi-viewer. So we could go and actually zoom into specific tiles of full screen if we want to, coming back to the mosaic. And we could do things like timers and such directly through the Nevion control. Another exciting thing that we have is traditionally with Tag, you don't realize how much data analytics that we have. But right now we can output all of that via our Elastic and Kafka data pipes that gives you full awareness of every different probe that's throughout your whole workflow. So we have a bunch of different types of items here that we are showing regarding what you could do with those analytics and global awareness of what's going on at every part of your workflow. Everywhere from lip sync to 2110 details to captioning data to SCUDdy 104 and 35 information. And it's very powerful to have an understanding of that whole workflow. Thank you for being part of NAB this year and welcoming Tag into this presentation.